So hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Upwork and I am student of Freelancing Kurangi campus. My class name is the Future Navigators, and in this today's video I will tell you about the future of freelancing on Upwork. So I will tell you about 7 steps what is the future of freelancing on Upwork. So first step is increased remote work opportunities, and as businesses embrace remote work, the demand for freelance talent on platforms like Upwork is likely to increase. So freelancers will have access to a global marketplace of remote job opportunities, and this is first step. And the second step is specialization and niche expertise. So clients are increasing looking for specialized skills and niche expertise. So freelancers who can demonstrate expertise in specific areas are likely to be in high demand. And the third step is artificial intelligence and automation. This is too much important part. Don't miss this video and don't skip this video. So AI and automation are expected to play a larger role in freelancing platforms like Upwork. This could lead to more efficient matching of freelancers with clients and the automation of repetitive tasks. And the fourth step is growing gig economy. So the gig economy is expected to continue growing with more professionals opting for freelance and contract work. So this trend could lead to a larger pool of talent on a platform like Upwork. And the fifth step is focus on skills development. So freelancers will need to continuously upscale and stay updated with latest trends and technologies to remain competitive. Upwork may offer more opportunities for skills development and training. And sixth step is enhanced collaboration tools. So to facilitate remote work, freelancing platforms like Upwork may introduce more advanced collaboration tools. This could improve communication and project management for freelancers and clients. And seventh step is increased competition. So as the gig economy grows, freelancers may face increased competition for jobs, and differentiating on oneself through specialized skills, excellent client reviews, and a strong portfolio will be crucial. So this was my today video. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.